welcome. Today we're in the north part of Eugene. We're going to be looking at a house. Very nice house. It has all the modern amenities. It just was the couple that owned it before. They bought this house with intentions to flip the house right away. So that's what they did. They renovated the inside as well as some of the exterior. As you can see, the house right now, they did a classic take of the classic American look is what they did here. And they added some neutral coloring so you can accommodate for any other feel you would like for the house. But yeah, you can see that with the shape of the garage doors and the front patio, you can see that classic American feel. So let's go take a look today. As we walk in, you'll notice there is a sitting area, really cozy. Lets in that open view in the front yard, just a classic American feel there. As we continue forward into the little sitting area, you'll see the expansive kitchen. This is probably one of my favorite parts of this house is the kitchen. The previous owners really put a lot of effort and a lot of attention and detail when they renovated this house into this area. You'll see the quartz countering. Everything's brand new, so just newly built, newly added as well, and just really beautiful, really trendy also. As you can see, the lights over there is a modern trend, as well as shelving with the colors. And they also use white. It really lights up this area. I love that, and the hardwood flooring, as you can see beneath me, just really beautiful. I like that a lot. Big space. They added a very large island area here. You can accommodate a lot of guests. The middle sink here as well, so you can have just easy access to the stove and easy cleanup as well. It's really nice. This stove top is very large. It's a gas stove top here with 6 stove tops where you can cook many things at once, and it's just really nice. I like how they added that with the vent system as well. Everything is stainless steel touches with the quartz marbling on the countertops, so really beautiful. As we continue forward this way, on the other side of this little narrow hallway when you first enter, we do have a half restroom right in the front of the house for guests on this side right here. And then here is the pantry as well. Not the largest pantry, can fit all of your needs. But as you can see in the kitchen, there's so many cabinets available for storage. You don't really need a very large pantry for this house. Here is the dining room area. I love this what they added here. Just kind of like a big long table, really nice. Next to the dining formal area is the living room. Not the largest living room here, but really cozy. And I like the layout. They did the layout really nice here. With the L-shaped couch here and putting the TV right over the fireplace, really cozy feel. I like how they did that, and they had that nice touch around the fireplace with the circle tiling. Looks great. My second favorite feature, other than the kitchen, is the backyard. So you don't see this really often in the city of Eugene, especially with the larger house, but this is a really expansive backyard, especially just in the main city area of Eugene. Really hard to come by to find a property in the lot this large. Really expansive area for your kids to play. Really spacious, and they even added a trampoline here so you can get kind of a feel for how large this backyard is. This house is kind of cool. They have a 3-car garage, but as you can see here, this is the first one next to the dining area. This is the 2-car garage. It's separated by a wall. There's actually a 3rd car garage, and we'll cover that later. There's a little doorway connecting the two, but there is a wall that separates them both. I like that feature. And we walk through the living room one more time. We'll come to the back corner here, and this opens up into the laundry room, and then the 3rd car garage for extra storage. Okay, as we go upstairs, before that, I do want to point out when you first walk in, they added this coat hanger closet, and I love that feature. You can just grab a coat really quick or whatever you need to grab and head out the door, so you don't have to go walk around the entire house. Really convenient there to look upstairs. When we first walk upstairs, there's a little cozy area here. Previous owners made this a little play area for their kids. You can convert this to whatever you would like. You can make this an office space or even a little exercise room, whatever you might be, but just a nice little cozy area. And we continue to walk forward this way into the hallway. See this little hallway with all the bedrooms. They made this first bedroom right here an office space, and really neat too. They have the double doors for the closet as well. So really neat feature there for a lot of storage space. This is the first room. The second room right here. This can also be another bedroom. They made this into a little exercise area, just a little relaxing area to do yoga or to do your cycling here to stay in shape. So really awesome feature. Another double swinging door for a closet area. And these two are the last of the bedrooms. Each of these bedrooms has the same feature for the closet space. So that double swinging door, really awesome how they included that. If you have a big family with a lot of kids, they won't be fighting for space, I'll tell you that. And connecting this hallway together is the full restroom here. Really awesome feature. There's a lot of restrooms in this home, so there won't be like a chance to fight over space when you need to use the restroom. I like that a lot. The last bedroom here with the same feature with the double swinging doors for the extra space for your closet. All right, so from the other side, when you first walk up the second story, from the other side of the hallway with all the bedrooms, is the master bedroom. And then there's another feature here I'd like to show. Another full-size restroom right next to the master bedroom. Has a full-size shower, it's a nice sink, and they made this a beautiful area, a linen closet as well, to store your bed sheets or your towels, whatever you need there. Really nice. I like how they added that. Really a decent sized restroom for just being not the main master restroom. I do want to mention the flooring here, or the carpet. This is new. They renovated the carpet as well. So really nice feature here, and it's gonna last a long time. Let's take a look in the master bedroom. It's a really nice master bedroom. Not enormous, but not really small or cozy. It's the perfect size for a young couple. I like this area. Lets in that sunlight. Really beautiful. They added that American feature in the front of the home that we saw earlier. Extends up to the second story into the master bedroom, and so you can see that 4 paneling windows there. Really nice feature. You can kind of sit here, relax when you first wake up, and you can get your day started, get some reading done, whatever you need to do. Really nice. And the master restroom leads into the walk-in closet. Really nice feature how they added that, going through the restroom into the closet. Same material as the kitchen counters below, with that quartz countertop here. Double sink feature, I love that. And they didn't go with the white this time. They added almost like an oak, but it is a beautiful touch. It goes very well with the white. Really neutral coloring, so you can add whatever you would like here, and it's not really specific to just one theme. And right here is a little sliding door to give you your personal space, and the toilet, and the big walk-in closet. Really nice feature here. Alright, thanks for joining us in the northern part of Eugene for this home. It is quarantine season, so we in the US, we need to wear our gloves and be extra cautious. This area, this house specifically, is a great home to have and hold long term. Since the previous owners already did renovations, it's ready to just be moved in and lived in. It's a really great feature, and the painting and the walls, everything's neutral colored. So if you want to add your own theme, if you want to color it differently, or whatever you want to do to the home, you can add your own personal touch to the home, and it's really moldable to see what you want and what the feel of the house you want to be. Really great home. It should be expected, especially in this area of Eugene. It is a quieter area, really nice, not in a cul-de-sac, but this is in a bend of a street, not the main street, but just really beautiful area to look at. Really quiet and safe neighborhood as well. So it's a great home all around, just to hold on to, keep to yourself forever, or if you want to flip it in the long run, it should increase in value pretty quickly. So thank you for joining us.